My name is Carla Bremo. I'm a junior and I'm from France. I'm majoring in sports management. My best highlight from last year would be when I hit the three to tie the game against Montana State in Puerto Rico. And because it was in Puerto Rico, actually, that was nice. And my mom played basketball like a couple of years when she was young. She said, okay, you can start playing, you would play basketball. So I started playing basketball, I like it, and that's why I'm here now. The difference in basketball-wise, I would be, some rules are different, like shot clock, we have only 24 seconds. For in offense or defense, like the shot clock is 24 seconds. Here is like 30. Or when we pass like half court, and for example, like we have like sideline on the ball on the sideline, we cannot go back. So what did I do for summer with COVID? I was in Wichita all summer. It was actually really hot. Like I never been in July, like in Wichita for July. It was so hot. I practiced like when June 1st, like the gym started opening, we could have go weight. So like I practiced 4 times a week and did them on my own too. I work out with Fifi also, like when gym weren't open. I hang out a lot with my friends. I was with my friend all the time. We watched a lot of movies when the weather was bad. I played tennis with my friends, played pickleball, we went to the lake. I also spent a lot of time like talking with my parents because they had like so much free time and I did too, so I talk a lot with my family. I think the thing, what I'm looking forward this season first, it will be having a season, I guess. That will to have a great season. I think we have a team for it, so winning more games. My goals for this season, I would like to have another 4.0 GPA, that would be good. I want to be a leader actually for the team, like on and off the court, have more impact, and even like in defense, I think I'm improving like since my 2 last seasons, so I want to keep improving in that way too.